In art history, we learn of the many painters, poets, and musicians. We learn of their individual styles, habits, and attempt to interpret their works. But have you truly explained your own? Do you simplify it to its prime value? How long until you understand it yourself? I ask these questions because I myself asked the same ones about my own paintings. For years, I felt I would never know. It just pours out of me. I either know it or I don't. And forcing a narrative on my work could never apply the ideas that came through me. These ideas were not created by me, but they simply chose me. The harder I looked for meaning, the less clear it was. I had to let go of my ego and simplify my thoughts to clear distinctions like how I felt making the work. What was the subject? Were my personal thoughts invested in it? And what did I need from it? Using these questions, I applied this to every work that I've done. And time again, I've understood it a little bit more. To truly understand another artist's work, you have to understand your own. It's the same concept that applies to loving yourself before you could love others. In a world where judgment is at its heights, we have to let go of ourselves and not worry about what the crowd will think, because the truth is absolute. This painting I'm working on is a 12 by 8. Again, I'm doing oil paints. Man, I hate them, but I'm going along with it because I trust myself. I know I'll be better at it. I used the criteria that I previously spoke of to understand even this painting. And this painting just came through to me from my subconscious. Maybe it means one thing to me now, and it will probably mean another thing to me in 5 years from now, or 10 years, or 20. It's all interpreted through time. I hope you guys got inspiration to understand yourself through this video and through this epiphany that I've had. Let me know your process in the comments below. How do you interpret your work? Also, if you liked the video, please click that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Trying to go for a video a week. We'll see how we'll do. And yeah, have a nice one, guys.